business, corporate, analytics. Hey everyone, Emily here. Right now, I'm in California, a little on vacation and a little still doing work from my hotel room, using the power of the internet.
Now, to do my important business, etc., I went looking for a great tutorial on makeup looks for professional humans. Unfortunately, nothing that I found really matched the realness of how I do my business makeup. So I thought I'd combine the wisdom of the internet with my personal routine to show all you flawless, gorgeous business people out there how to make your face suitcase business power stance ready. So clean your face and let's talk how to do makeup for business. No makeup. Step 1. Consider your business. What do you do? What do you want? Who are you trying to impress? Practice doing a little business in the mirror and think about how your face should look for business growth. Step 2. Consider your materials. What makeup do you have? Should you have more makeup? Do you have enough makeup? Will you ever have enough? Will anything ever be enough? Step 3. Look up respected individuals in your field and try to look like them. I googled powerful businesswoman for inspiration. Power suit, power glasses, power stance, power eyebrows, windows, 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 windows. Business. Step 4. Gather your supplies. Put all your makeup in a little pile and hoard it like a dragon. You deserve this, girl boss. Step 5. Meditate on your face after makeup. Maybe listen to the audiobook of a favorite self-help novel. Consider the global economy. Yes, you are ready. Synchronicity. Step 6. Apply foundation. I don't have a good brush for this, so I wash my hands, accidentally dump way too much on my hand, and then use my fingers to just cover my whole face. Meetings, here we come. Cursed with acne? Use concealer too. Once you look like a spooky ghost, you're ready for the next step. Step 7. Apply powder. I never have powder. You can skip this one. Powder is for interns and shills for big pharma. Step 8. Apply blush and/or bronzer. I only have blush. This step helps to pull your cheekbones forward. Sharp cheekbones, sharp mind, as they probably say. I haven't learned anything new about makeup since my mom helped me put blush on for the first time for a dance recital in the 90s, so I do this classic fish move. Cheekbones mean business. Step 9. Eyes. A multi-step step. First, primer. Everyone says to use primer, but when I do, I tend to end up looking like the Joker. We're going for it anyway. Maybe my business can be chaos, and hey, he usually wears a nice pantsuit. Next, eyeshadow. They say you want natural, non-shimmering tones for business, but I only have this Lady Gaga house palette, so it'll be what it'll be. Cool, I'm just gonna use a brush to blend. And eyeliner. In theory, you should keep the eyeliner subtle for business, but if you don't have a deft enough hand, thick eyeliner can be powerful and intimidating too. Or you can use a makeup removing wipe to get rid of some of the thick eyeliner to kind of get back to a happy medium. Good enough. And of course, eyelashes. First, if you're brave, you can curl your eyelashes, but I say skip it and don't risk your eyeballs. In the end, it's only your career. Mascara. Make your eyelashes look like the long, little, spindly spiders they are. Don't tell anyone about the eye spiders. Step 10. Eyebrows. Just have at 'em. The more eyebrows, the better. Robust eyebrows are a sign of authority. That's why you see so many caterpillars in the C-suite. Way to go, business caterpillar. Powerful brows. And last, but certainly not least, lips. Oh god. Okay, this one is, just decide with confidence. You can't go wrong. The WikiHow article I read suggested a scented gloss, but that seems like the opposite of what you want. Beauty magazines say wear a nude, but then nude lipsticks kind of make me look like a mannequin. I always get this step wrong. Okay, let's go nude. Let's just go nude. And gloss. Or lip chap. Gloss. Perfect. Just check your teeth and you're all ready to do the thing that you do. Looks like you're all ready to go. Onward, business human. You wear that face. Analytics. KPI. Collateral. Black coffee. Business shoes.